first profit-sharing awardee. But before that, let's all welcome on stage, of course, our board of directors, the BOD, to grace this wonderful awarding.
Join
We
us,
call on Sir John Asperin,
Dr. Tony
Dr.
Cabanto,
Tony, and of course, Dr. Ed Cabanto. Join us. All right. The first profit-sharing awardee. Ladies and gentlemen. Okay. First profit-sharing awardee. All right, Mr. Joey Martel. Yes. Hi, Joey. Can you hear us?
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Okay, you
Good morning
are live all the way from Bohol.
from Romblon.
Ah, sorry,
Romblon.
We are live.
We are live. We are live.
Joey Martel.
Kanina, Jensen. All right. Anyway, Joey, what can you say about you qualifying for the profit sharing in spite of the pandemic?
Grabe, sir. 2020 is the most challenging year talaga sa network ko, and sobrang daming pinagdaanan. But then again, nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon and sa Easy Management dahil talagang hindi nagsasawang mag-create ng program para magtuloy-tuloy pa rin ang negosyo. Kaya po naitawid ang profit sharing in spite of pandemic. Kaya nandito tayo ngayon to celebrate success. Thank you so much.
All right. As the first awardee, Joey, are you excited?
Yes! Power!
Okay. So in your behalf, Dr. Connie will press the button here. And of course, you
Yes,
can
no.
enjoin your family to be there with you as you receive your profit sharing check. Kung kasama mo family mo, you can enjoin them now.
Naka-green yung suot ni
Alright.
Wife kanina kaya hindi na nakapag-change, sir.
Okay. So, all right. Joey, are you ready? Dr. Connie? All right. In the count of 3, Dr. Connie will press the button for you. 1,
Thank you, Doc.
2, 3. Alright! 171,89.86 pesos. Alright, thank you very much, Joey. See you again, see you soon. We go now to our next awardee.
Let's wait for the second. Jose Miguel Solayvon.
This is live, huh? All right. This is live. So, Mix, you will just have to press the button. When you are ready, ready ka na ba? Yes. Kinakabahan ka ba? Okay. Bakit ka namumutla? First time. So, congratulations, Jose Miguel, because this is your first time. So, don't worry because kung kinakabahan ka, baka himatayin ka sa tatanggapin mo. Are you ready? Count of 1, 2, 3, go! $348,860.71 pesos. Congratulations. All right, you may go to the front, picture with the board of directors.
Congratulations, Jose Miguel Solaiva.
We go to the next. Ron Gilbert Calzo. Ron? How do you feel, Ron?
Sir,
Kinakabahan ka ba?
joke.
This is your first time profit sharing,
Yes, sir.
pero multiple US trip qualifier. All the way from?
Palawan.
Ano ka nagpunta rito, Lumangoy?
Planos ko.
Plano. Alright, are you ready? Are you super ready? Are you excited? Go! $361,851.05. Congratulations, you may now go in front. Alright, next, thank you, Ron, and congratulations.
Our next profit share. Mr. Paul, Peter Paul, Gula. Hello, Paul. Handa-handa ka na ba? Ready ba? Super excited ba?
Sobrang excited.
Pakita mo ngayon, super excited ka. Press the button!
Press. Alright, 365,767.
Peter Paul Gula.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you, Peter
We'll go
Paul.
to the next.
Let's go to our next profit sharing qualifier. Goes to
Maria Merlin Rapiz. Hi, Merlin.
Hello po!
Merly Trappist from Iloilo.
Are you excited, Merlin?
Sobrang excited!
Oh, yan!
Yan ang excitement. So, in your behalf, ang magpipress ng button ay si Dr. Connie. So, Merlin, congratulations for your US trip and of course, this profit sharing. Alright.
Okay, Merlit, mas exciting no if you would, if ikaw ang magbibilang, ha? 1, 2, 3. Are you ready?
Yes po!
We can hear you. Are you ready?
Yes!
Okay, go!
1, 2, 3!
Merlit Trappist from Iloilo.
Thank you po!
We have 74,640. Thank you, Merlit. Congratulations. Our next. Jason Alburo.
Yes, live to, live.
Papasin mo, Jaisel, are you ready? Are you ready? Pangilan mo na to, Jaisel.
Fourth.
Oh, fourth, ha?
Wala, talaga.
Excited ba? Excited?
Very excited.
Alright.
Very excited ba?
Very excited and grateful.
Very excited and grateful. If you are very excited and grateful, please press the button.
Oh, 393,116. Alright.
Thank you and congratulations, Jason.
Alright, next will be remote. Next, go. Balada Junior. Dr. J.
Tike!
Alright.
G.
Doc G, are you ready?
Hello, sir.
Pala si Rodolfo.
Yes. Ready.
Alright, okay. Let's all the way from Antique.
Doc, why are you praying? Are you excited? Nervous?
Sobra.
Okay, Doc, ikaw ang magbibilang ng 1, 2, 3. Go!
Tawagin ko yung
Mas
family
malakas
ko.
ang bilang.
Yan, sama mo na. Sama mo yung family mo. Sama mo.
Sama.
Okay. Bilang ng 1, 2, 3, Doc.
Parang hindi ready ah.
Oh, bilang ng 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Let's start again.
2, 3.
Doc Connie. Congratulations! Congratulations, Doc G and family.
We'll see you soon.
We'll see you soon. Thank you.
Our next qualifier.
Yokoso Mesa Grande! Alright. So, again, on behalf of Chodosho.
Yuri.
Yuri.
Grande.
Alright.
Doc, please.
Okay. We will count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Congratulations to Yuri all the way from Jensen. Bravo!
Congratulations, Yuri. Our next.
Next. Cebu! Ready ka na ba?
Are you ready?
Oh, sama lahat ng family. Tapos bilang ng 1, 2, 3. Go!
Tabi kayo. Pasok. Sapa. Wait. Yan. Are you ready?
Yay! 1, 2, 3.
Congratulations, Shema Amisola from Cebu. Congratulations.
Alright, next. Christian John Batas!
Congratulations. Ano ba napapakatapat mo ngayon?
Super excited.
Super excited. Pinakamalakas sa sigaw, Kit. Ito, ano ang naramdaman mo ngayon?
Alright, kung ready ka na, 1, 2, 3.
Kailangan natin 720,000! 533! Wow! Malaki na pala kay George!
Yes.
Congratulations, Christian!
Alright.
Roger Texon!
Roger, pakilan mo na to.
Ang lima!
Mo na. Hindi ka na nagsasawa.
Yes, sir. Nakaka-excite.
Nakahir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, kung ikaw hindi nagsasawa at nakaka-excite lalo, i-press mo na yan.
1, 2, 3!
Alright. 6 figures. Wala, 7 figures. Alright,
Congratulations,
next.
Roger! Malaki na! Our next profit sharing goes to John Vincent San Juan! Woo! Nakaka-excite! John T!
John Vincent, one of our Hall of Famers, of course, and one of our youngest multi-millionaires. Ready ka na ba? Excited ka na ba, John B? Okay, kung ready at excited ka na, parang hindi ka naman nanginginig at hindi ka namumutla. Ayos ka. Alright, if you're ready, press the button!
One.
Yes! Congratulations! Thank you very much.
Thank you. Congratulations, John B.
Okay, now we go to the
Ito na.
last and final awardee. The top one for tonight. And goes to Juan Alburo!
Give it up. It's right. Beth Alburo.
Yes. Wait. Don't try it. Don't try it. Ang swerte, the luck of Mr. Mon Alburo, the luck in Mr. Mon Alburo's life. Are you ready, sir?
Yes, ready.
Mr. Alburo, are you ready?
Excited, ha?
Okay, do not try it. Ramon, ganda ng tuxedo mo.
Pinaghandaan yan.
Dahil sa easy.
Alright. Ready na po ba kayo?
Ready, sir.
On and
Ready
then,
na kayo?
if you're ready,
You may now press the button!
at the count of 3. 1. Sabay kayo, ha? 2. 3.
Equivalent to 170,000 US dollars! Just a few
Picture, oh. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Empowered Consumerism. Thank you sa lahat ng mga cruise lines, mga leaders, na kahit nadaan tayo na sa pandemic, pero tuloy-tuloy tayong humataw para sa mga leaders na kailangan ng tulungan, mga leaders na alam natin, gumagapang paano patakbuhin ang online na nangangapa tayo, pero dahil sa programa ng Empowered Consumerism, tuloy-tuloy tayo. Narito po ang bunga ng ating mga pagpupuyat. Pagpupuyat natin lahat. Ibinibigay ng Empowered Consumerism. Kung ano yung pinaghirapan natin. Focus lang. Gawin lang po ng seryoso. Gawin lang po tama ang Empowered Consumerism. Alam ko po, ibibigay ng ating company ang nararapat para sa ating lahat. Kaya guys, parang ganito. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko sabihin, kundi pasalamatan ko po ang aking pamilya. Aking mga anak, unang-una, aking misis na talagang nagbibigay sa akin ng power, energy para, kiss ko sir? Nagbibigay ng energy para humataw. Nagre-remind sa akin na magbihis na ako kung kinakailangan magbihis, maligo kung maligo, kumain kung kumain para lang makahataw ulit. Kaya, thank you Lord. Thank you Empowered Consumerism. Thank you Sir John. Thank you Doc Ed. Thank you Sir Dr. Acone, Sir Arnel, Sir Georgen, at sa lahat ng marketing team, training team, sa staff, sa lahat ng staff ng Empowered Consumerism. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Sa inyong mga pagpupuyat, pagkatsaga. Ang masasabi ko lang, trabahuin natin ng gusto ang Empowered Consumerism. Seryoso po yung company. Kaya seryosohin na po natin.
Again, thank you and congratulations,
Thank you.
Ramon Alburo. Thank you, Mon.
Ayos lang. Dito lang po. Yan. This is equivalent to 170,000 US dollars. All right. Thank you, Raymond and the Alburo family consistently. Thank you. All right. Go back.
Let's give a loud and well-deserved round of virtual applause for Empowered Consumerism's Profit Sharing Awardees of 2020.
Congratulations to our top one profit sharing awardee, Sir Mon Alburo. What an exciting day, surely ushering an event, exciting, successful year. All you need is a right mindset, a heart of success, and the will to win.
Yes, and you have empowered consumerism to give you the momentum to forge ahead and break barriers. This is Miko Imson.
And I'm Adrian Del Rosario. We're happy to be sharing the virtual stage and co-hosting with our vice presidents.
All right. Dear Georgian Gonzalez, reminding everyone that we have what it takes to break barriers and to achieve our goals with empowered consumerism.
As we said in the beginning, there are plans to be made, opportunities that await, and dreams about to come true. I'm Arnan Impin, and together we all say,
Good morning, Easy!
All right, and to further celebrate,
Yes.
February is a wonderful month. It's the birthday or birth month of our Dr. Connie Cabantag and of course Dr. Ed Cabantag. Birthday month.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.